You smell like spoiled milk clinging to baby blue sheets. Kissing your forehead, your sweat tastes like rotting apples, fermented forbidden fruit. This hospital, this paradise, this skyscraper-shaped Elysium suits you, old man. Yellow mucus dries at the corners of your lips. Eyes closed, yet eerily cognizant. Still humming, breathing, with help from the machine. I draw closer to you, belching lotus petals. Painless, forgetful submission drifts to the waters of Lethe. Watch the machine. It beeps, vocalizing the number 0. Subtract you from the overall quantity, negative integers. But relief still spills from my pores like cognac caressing ice. Your skin now matches the shade of pneumonia, bile-colored rouge, gray eyeshadow on a mannequin. Thank you guys.